Hi, this is Prithvi.
Hi, this is Vignesh. And myself, Vishnu.
We are here to prove the experiment about the Archimedes principle.
Archimedes' principle states that any object when immersed in a liquid will displace a volume of liquid equal to the object's own volume.
This experiment, all we need is a plastic jar partially filled with water. We need we have taken two batteries as a weight, which is wrapped together using a cellophane tape. Then a floating device, a pen or a marker, ruler, and a calculator.
To measure the weight, set it to 0. Place the object on the weighing machine. It reads 182 grams.
1. Weight inside the floating object.
First of all, take a jar partially filled with water. Mark the initial level of the water. Place the floating device carefully and slowly, and then place the weight slowly. As we place the weight, the water level increases. Then we mark the final level of the water.
The rise in the water level is calculated using a ruler and it is 0.65 centimeter.
After finding the height difference of the water levels, we need to find the volume of the water displaced. It must be approximately equal to the weight of the floating device and the weight of the two batteries.
Coming to the calculations part, we have the formula pi r square h, which is the formula to find out the volume of the cylinder, where r is the radius of the jar used and it is 19 by 2 centimeters, and h by h minus h naught is the height of the rise in the water level, which is measured during the experiment, and it is 0.65 centimeters. Substituting in the formula, we get 184.2 centimeter cube. We know that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 grams, so the volume of the water displaced is 184.2 grams, which is approximately equal to the weight measured, neglecting all the human errors. Hence, we proved the Archimedes principle. 2. Weight and floating objects are separately placed. Take a jar of water and mark the initial level of water with a pen or a marker. Then take the two batteries which was used as a weight and sink it inside the jar. And then take the floating device and place it on the water. Then the water level will rise, and mark the final level of the water with a pen. And then measure the height difference of the water level that is raised using a ruler, and it is equal to 0.64 centimeters. From part 1 and part 2, the rise in the water level is approximately same, and this proves that the object may sink or they may float. The water displaced is same.